Well, David, today Governor Baker announced a new directive to protect healthcare workers and first responders who are on the front lines of the coronavirus battle. But some in the medical field want him to do more. WBZ's Nick Emmons is live at the State House tonight with those details. Nick?
Yeah, so Lisa, at the news conference today, the governor said he's cautiously optimistic that the steps the state has taken as far as social distancing and limiting gatherings will be helpful in flattening that curve we've been talking so much about. But a coalition of medical workers says that may not be enough.
It's a plea for help from people on the front line of the coronavirus crisis.
We need to get this going ASAP.
The COVID-19 Action Coalition, made up of hundreds of doctors and medical workers, is calling on the state to immediately ramp up efforts to prevent the spread of the deadly virus, like closing all public spaces where people gather.
And you really just want to keep your island really small. And your island should be the only people you have to spend time with.
Amy Fogelman of the coalition says the state's current advisory allowing up to 10 people to gather in public spaces is not enough, and all public gatherings should be banned.
There's this false sense like, oh, if I'm hanging out with 9 people, I'm safe. And you're not, because you're actually hanging out with the other people that they're exposed to.
The coalition also wants the governor to call on local companies to start producing personal protective equipment.
We're still having trouble getting that to healthcare workers and first responders. So we're asking the governor to encourage businesses to produce PPE.
During his news conference at the State House, Governor Baker acknowledged the coalition's letter, saying this.
I haven't seen the letter, so it's hard to comment on the rest of it. What I would say is that generally speaking, our rules and our approach to this have been to rely on the federal guidelines for the most part.
Fogelman says the governor has been responsive to the coalition in the past and hopes he takes their latest message seriously.
So he should be leading the way on how to care for coronavirus patients. And we're just trying to give Governor Baker the tools to do that.
So the coalition is also hoping that the governor will help make it easier for doctors to work outside of their home hospital. It's a process that can normally take months, but it can be really crucial in helping these hospitals that may be overwhelmed with the surge expected to come in the coming weeks. Live outside of the State House, I'm Nick Emmons, WBZ News.
All right.